Hi, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. My name's Lyle. I'm here to show you this beautiful new 230 cruiser from Harris. We just unwrapped this one. This is a brand new 2026 model, and it is gorgeous. Welcome on board this 230 cruiser. This is a 2026 model with the awesome luxury interior. We've got the chestnut here in the luxe interior, so it's got the extra stitching and the armrests. This is an SLDH layout, so it's got the dual helm, so two captain's chairs. At the helm, we've got a SIMRAD screen for gauges and navigation. Got the wet sound stereo on this. We've also got a power Bimini on this model. It does have the forward sunshade. The SL layout has this lounge at the back here that's adjustable, so you can lay out facing rearward. You can even lay down and take a nap. Got this rigged with the 200 horsepower Mercury. It's got the fold down swim step and the new lily pad stairs. So come on by MarineMax in Dallas and check this out.